I have a good news for all the Galaxy S24 Ultra users. This news is special for all those S24 Ultra users who are thinking of returning their mobile phones, just because the display issue. The display looks dull in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now we finally have a surprising news, or we can say confirmed news related to this issue. According to Ice Universe, the next version of Galaxy S24 series will solve the problem that the vivid screen mode is not vivid. Add the vividness option and you can adjust the vividness of the third gear by yourself. The default is S24's current vividness, so people who are satisfied with the color of the S24 screen don't have to worry. If you raise the vividness by 1 notch, you will get a color similar to S23 Ultra, and if you raise it by 2 notches, you will get a bright color similar to S21 Ultra. And then now, you can buy Galaxy S24 with confidence. Just wait for the update. Almost a perfect solution. Some users noticed that the colors on their Samsung phones looked too muted, and they thought it was a mistake. Samsung didn't say much at first, but later hinted that they might fix it with a software update. However, there was some confusion when Samsung Spain said they wouldn't change it because they meant it to look that way. Now, a new leak suggests Samsung might let users control how vivid they want the colors to be with a slider. This could be a good compromise, giving users more options while keeping Samsung's intended look. We'll have to wait for Samsung to confirm or deny this, but the source of the leak is usually reliable. We'll keep you updated on any new developments. If you're considering buying the new Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can go ahead and make the purchase. And if you already have the phone and are thinking about returning it because of the color issue, hold off on returning it just yet. It's likely that the upcoming update will address this problem, making it a great improvement for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So hang tight and wait for the update before making any decisions. Also, we have another news related to the update of the Galaxy S24 Ultra from Ice Universe. According to Ice Universe, the new firmware of Samsung Galaxy S24 series will be released after the Spring Festival in China. I think it will take about 10 days. This update will bring better cameras. One thing is noticing here, according to Ice Universe, this update will bring better cameras. He didn't talk about other issues like screen, battery, and performance issues. Yesterday, a user posted a picture and a video showing a new display issue with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The images clearly reveal white lines at the top and a green line at the bottom of the screen. Instead of just a single green line, the whole OLED screen seems to be messed up. A video on X shows this discoloration. Luckily, the person's S24 Ultra started working again after they restarted it 4 times. It looks like a software bug, not the hardware issue. According to Ian, thank God, after the 4th restart, it finally came back. Still damn scared it'll come back though. Many of the people also start saying in the comments that the display of the phone is broken because a scratch can be seen on the screen, but I think it's only a scratch. The display is completely fine. Also, Ian said, it's crazy how many people are saying he must have dropped his phone, his screen is scratched. Definitely physical damage. 1. I've never dropped the phone and haven't even been using it much. 2. I've done a separate post on how I scratched it. 3. So are y'all saying that Samsung phones are not durable? With all these problems, do you think you should be concerned about your phone? Personally, I don't think so. Recently, we saw posts on Reddit and Samsung forums. Galaxy S24 Ultra users face green line display issue. 4 to 5 people are facing this issue so far. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are experiencing frustrating issues with their phone screens, such as thin green and white lines. Despite trying troubleshooting steps like restarting and resetting the phone, the problem persists, indicating it's a hardware issue, not a software bug. Users turn to Samsung for help, but the company's response has been disappointing, with some being told to return the phone and repurchase it, losing any pre-order discounts. Additionally, Samsung directed unhappy customers to contact T-Mobile, even though the phones were purchased through Samsung's website. This slow response and lack of adequate support from Samsung are concerning for early adopters of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, highlighting the need for better customer service and resolution of hardware issues. I don't think it's a major issue because only 4 to 5 Galaxy S24 Ultra users have experienced it, and they returned their phones. More on washed-out display issue. As we can see in the screenshot, according to Samsung support, Galaxy S24 series model has been adjusted colors and brightness for more accurate and comfortable vision while using. It has made some changes to the display technology to offer a more natural viewing experience, so you may notice differences in color depth when compared to other devices. This constant behavior in the display is an intended color adjustment and is not a defect of the product, so you can use it with confidence. Samsung support says they've made changes to the display technology in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This might make the colors look different from older models, but it's not a problem with the phone. Samsung, being aware of hardware and firmware issues, claims that if you don't like the colors on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, there's no other option for you. According to another Galaxy S24 Ultra user, chat support don't know anything. I've directly spoken to developers team and they said it's intended to look this way. They said the same on members app via error report and also through community app. So the washout look will remain forever. If you don't like the colors on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, there's no other option for you. But as I told you in the start of the video, according to Ice Universe, the upcoming Galaxy S24 series will address the issue of the dull vivid screen mode by introducing a vividness option. Users can adjust the vividness in 3 levels: default, similar to S23 Ultra, and bright, like S21 Ultra. This update ensures satisfaction for users who prefer the current screen color. With this solution, buying the Galaxy S24 can be done with confidence. Just wait for the update. So no need to worry. In my previous videos, numerous Galaxy S24 Ultra users shared their experiences regarding various issues and bugs with their phones. Here are some of the comments. 1. @Robot037 expressed concerns about multiple mobile games crashing, including Nick and Pokemon Go, which was not an issue with their previous S21 device. They hope this issue can be resolved. 2. @Melopretham confirmed experiencing a display issue where the screen freezes and reboots while watching YouTube, Netflix, or other apps. They visited an authorized service center where they were informed that the issue would be addressed in the next update. 3. @Soft, located in England and pre-ordered their phone through O2, reported seeing random lines flashing across their screen on multiple occasions. They expressed hope that these lines wouldn't become permanent or worsen over time. 4. @Fearless74 mentioned encountering a display pixel burn issue where half of the display showed a different appearance compared to the other half after performing normal settings adjustments. These comments highlight the diverse range of issues faced by Galaxy S24 Ultra users. If you bought a new Galaxy S24 Ultra, share your experience below. Samsung Galaxy S24 phones say that the camera isn't working well. A Samsung spokesperson said they're working on a fix for this. Users on Samsung's official forum in South Korea talked about blurry pictures and details from the S24's camera. A moderator on the forum said they'll fix this problem in an update soon. According to the moderator, in the case of the S24 camera photos compared to the previous version, the colors have been tuned to be more similar to those seen by the human eye and the 3-dimensional effect has been improved, but other than that, there have been no major changes. If you want a little more clarity, we recommend that you try activating optimal shooting for each scene in the intelligent optimization option in the camera settings. We will also analyze photos obtained through various channels and strive to always include corrections in future updates for matters deemed necessary. If you have photos that you think are problematic and may be a bit inconvenient, but please send us the photos through the Send Error menu in Members and we will analyze them and respond. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.